Hey, are you trying to build a healthy habit? Here's a strategy to help you incorporate something that feels uncomfortable at first. It's called Don't Break the Streak. You're going to take any kind of small goal. Maybe it's getting 100 grams of protein a day. Maybe it's getting to bed earlier. Maybe it's increasing your step count to a certain number. The goal has to be something specific. And then you're going to set a schedule, something attainable, so that you know what to expect for yourself. It's important to have a physical calendar so that every time you do that uncomfortable task, you can give yourself a check mark. The problem with building healthy habits is most people try and set too high expectations. They try and change too much too soon. That makes it really difficult to attain those goals. So although it may sound weird for a health coach to say this, set the bar low. Success happens when you're feeling good. So set up those goals and don't break the streak. And if you need some more help, you know where to find me.